Evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, May the 10th, 2024. And we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars. 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve, and the first one I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku. And this will be number 8508. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Should be at 2 stars, because the 3 stars has 25 printed digits. A 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Maybe your time limit. Alright, so let's get started. I see here 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 4 in the second column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. Okay. 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. 2. 286. 286. Well. We have a 5 in the last column. 5 in that column. So the column between only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. Okay. These are 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 5 and a 1. Yeah. 2 of those missing numbers in this row are the 1 and a 5. We have 1 and a 5 in this big square, so no 1 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes in this row. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9. Let me mark those 8 and 9. Alright, 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 3 should be there. 3, need a 3 there, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above, so that row, the only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be here, 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row, only 2 places left, 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. 4, 4, okay. Now. 5 here, need a 5 there, okay. 5 here, 5 there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes. And 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row, so in the first row. Only 2 places left, and 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. Then 2, 2, 7, 8, and 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row. Only place left with 5 should be there. We have all the 5s? Nope. Need a 5 here, need a 5 there. Okay. Then need a 1 here. And 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so it'll come next. The only place left with 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Need 8 here. Need 2. Need 6. And need 9. Need 9 here. Well. 6, 7, 4. Come on. You 4 here. How about the number? Need 2 here, need 2 there. 8. Come on. I'm thinking. 2, 2. 8, 8. 9, 9. I need a 6 here. 6, 8, okay. 9, 9. Need 8 here. Come on. 2. Need a 6. And I need a 9. Come on. 6, 9, and 9, 9. 6, 9, and an 8. Well, 8 and the 7 are missing here. 8 and the 7. Come on. I'm stuck. I'm really stuck. One in this row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, last column, 1 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. I need a 1 here. I need a 1 there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 8. 8, 8. Need a 7. 7. Need a 6. Need 7. 6 and a 4. Yeah. 8, 4, 6, 7. I'm thinking. 8. No, well. Need a 9 here. 8 here. Yeah. Need a 4 here. Still thinking. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left of the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 1 box left in this row for number, I believe the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 9, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next on that column, only 2 places left, and 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row, the only place left, and 8 should be there. Well, 9 and a 6, 9 and a 6, 9 and a 6, okay. The 8. Need the 8 here. Need the 8 here. Yeah. 7. We have a pair. The 7 and 9 in this column. The 7 and 9 in the fifth column. So the column between. Only 2 places left. The 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So need a 6. Need a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so last row. Only 2 places left, and 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only 2 places left, and 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes in there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left the 5 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 6, no, yeah, 6 and 8 are missing here. Yeah. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between. Only place left on 9 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. We have all the 5s. And all the 5s are used. I can see, yeah, digit number 2 and 5. How about the 4 now? Nope, the 4, I need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Almost 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 to 9, 2 to 9. Well, cannot fill it yet. Let me mark those. 6, 8, and need a 2. I need a 2 here. Need a 2 here. Yeah. In one of these 2 boxes. Need an 8 here. Yeah, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left 8. Could be here, could be there. About the number 8. With the 9. Need a 9 here. These 3 missing numbers. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, 7. And look, we have 2 and 4 in this column. So no 2 and 4 in this box. 2 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 7. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have 7 in this row, second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left 4 is should be there. So the 6 and the 8 are left here. We have a pair. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 1 box left in this column. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 9, we have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 9 goes there. 2 and 9, we have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there, and I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 6 goes there, 6 and 8, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there, 6 and 8, we have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for us, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well, definitely a 2 stars, because we need 15 to 20 minutes. Maybe I'll talk too much, otherwise it will be a 1-star puzzle. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye.